Hello, welcome back. How are you? I hope you're fine, you're happy and healthy. Let's get on with it. What I've got for you here today is to show you how I'm installing Expert Advisor to all my existing MetaTrader 4 platforms on this computer. It's very easily done. Just open your software, Trading Signals Copier, and then click on Settings, and then click on Install Expert Advisor. Just as you've seen there. And in the result, you're going to get this message: restart your MetaTrader terminals for the changes to take effect. So today's video is about trading on the forex market, how to copy orders, how to actually I'll be setting this software up, the TSC, Trading Signals Copier, that copies signals from different Telegram channels over to your MetaTrader 4 platform, or it could be MetaTrader 5 if you have one like that. So I got the latest version of MetaTrader 4 from my broker that I installed on this computer, and now I have the latest software, so I can open the account, and the account has already been logged on earlier on. I just have to find the shortcut now, which I'm not too sure which one it was, and that's the one there. So, because that's a multi-terminal, which I'm not going to use for this purpose, so let's look at this one. And the account will be already logged on. So I have some open orders on this account, as you can see. And what I'm going to do is I want to connect this account to Trading Signals Copier. So in this video I'll be explaining how to attach the Expert Advisor to your MetaTrader platform. And let's see, since after I have clicked on the Trading Signals Copier, install Expert Advisor to all MetaTrader platforms that are available on this computer, and I did, so the Expert Advisor should be there now. So yes, it's there, yes. So I'll remove this one-click trading from here, keep it all clear. I will remove the indicator, I'll keep the time frame only 4 hours, that's okay. There's few orders open, as you can see. This is a demo account from which I can copy orders and then adjust the parameters of these orders, like order size, stop loss, take profit level, through the trading, through the signal copying software that I have. And I'm using LTC Local Trade Copier software to copy orders between my MetaTrader 4 accounts. So I could use this software to copy, for example, signals orders from MetaTrader 4 even over to MetaTrader 5. Okay, so now let's forget for the moment about our recent orders, and I'm going to drag this Telegram Signals Copier over to the chart, and this window is coming up. So click there, allow DLL imports. I'm not too sure 100% if this is correct. I could also get it checked on the other computer how the settings were, because otherwise I'll have to find it now in the instructions, which will take me some time. So let's see, I'll just do it like that, and then I'll attach account name, and I'll put the settings in it too, I think. Perhaps I'll just have to use the account name, so I'll explain how to do this in a minute. For the moment, This is not going to work because I haven't configured this account properly just yet, so I have to go into Tools and then Options and then find the Expert Advisor tab. Click on the Allow Automated Trading, allow the DLL, and then I need to find this tab where you put the number. Since I haven't done it for a while, I forgot where it is. Let me see, I'll find it for you right now. That's the FTP, I think it is actually. I'll get it checked. So back to Trading Signals Copier software right now. And what do I need to do here is I need to find out where you will go to a help page on this software, which is right below the support thing right there on the bottom, and add EA, and here I will have instructions on the number that has to be added. So that's there, and you can see now where you have to go. Tools, you go to Tools, scroll down to the bottom, and this thing has to be checked. So I can make this window smaller, say the much smaller size, so you can see both windows how I'm actually doing it. And the instructions are on the right, the trading platform is on the left now. That was the Trading Signals Copier that I need to add to the chart, so I'll drag it over again, and this is not going to work because I have to go to the Tools, Options, and then is it an Expert Advisor? Yes, allow web requests, allow the DLL, that's what I'm seeing there, yeah? And I have to put this HTTP in there. So it goes like that, HTTP, okay, and then it has to be done right, because if it's not gonna work. So I'm doing it like that, and then I need to do 2 of these, and 127.0.0.1. So yes, it's going to be interesting because you haven't seen any videos from me about this topic, which is trading on the forex market. This is very interesting and something that I have been doing for many years, and I've got quite a lot of knowledge regarding trading on these markets, and I want to share a little bit with you what I'm doing, with these, let's call them experiments. This is not a full-time job or anything like that. These are a sort of experiments, working with markets requires you to be very patient. I think it goes like that. I can't really remember exactly, but I've set this software up quite a few times before on different computers. So let's see if it's going to work. If it's going to work, then Trading Signals Copier will appear here. I've got a sad face right there. And this is because I haven't allowed auto trading just yet. So I'm doing it right now. Now the Trading Signal Copier has disappeared. So let me see if I'll leave it like that, as it is now, just to take the top two. And I'll have to put the account name there. So for this, this is what I need to do. The account name, I have to open the other computer and look it up because I've already had it there. Or maybe not. I'll try this that way, see if it's going to stay here or not. Please fill the account name parameter. Yes, that's what it's asking me for, to put the account name. Okay, so how am I going to do it? I need to close the help page from the Trading Signals Copier software. Close it, and that's my account name there. And it's actually quite easy just to copy it over, and the balance is showing 0 because it hasn't connected before. It's just going to, I'm just setting it up on this computer, and this computer particular that I'm recording the video on at this very moment is a computer that is going to be run 5 days a week, 24 hours. So day and night, without me doing anything, the signals will be getting copied over from various Telegram trading groups over to my MetaTrader terminal. And in this particular case, this is a RoboForex trading terminal. And then I'm copying them using my local trade copier and adjusting parameters for certain trades over to different trading accounts, whether it's a live account or a demo account. I'm using the software to copy them over. So I need to copy the name, and then I have to get there, get into my expert advisor. So I have to find it again. It's not showing there, so I think maybe I'll drag it over again. Now I'll fill the name of the account and click OK, and that should connect to the account, and let's see if it does. And if it does, the list of signals will come up here, so you can see right now. So this is the MetaTrader account that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different groups that I'm copying signals over from Telegram trading groups. As you can see, their names are there, and these once signal is placed on one of these groups on the Telegram application software, that will get copied over to my MetaTrader 4 terminal using this Telegram signals copier software. Now I've got the smiley face. So when the market opens, this is we're actually recording. I'm recording this today for you. It's Saturday, so markets are not running, so I'm not expecting any new trades to be opened. But once the markets are opened, Sunday night, 10 o'clock UK time, platform will come back live again and signals will start getting copied over. So thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate your time. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like. Share this video with people you think might be of interest. What I'm talking here about. And we're 12 minutes and 51 seconds in this video, so I've got a little bit more time. So what I could show you here is the open orders. As you can see, if I go to comments and I'll actually highlight comments, that will give me the name of the trading channel which the signal has come from, and the majority of these groups are paid groups which I have got lifetime access to by paying to the admin. And what I can tell you here today, it is not easy to find a very reliable and consistently profitable trading group or signals anywhere on the internet, unless you have really lots of time and you doing it full time and you spending most of the day with your trading activities, and this way obviously you can master the game much quicker. So in my next videos you will see, I will share with you how the progress is of these, trades being taken, how they look when the market is open, and so you can expect from me some more videos. I will create a playlist on my YouTube channel specifically for Forex trading market. Forex market trading, and you will see this video being added to this playlist when you open my YouTube channel. If you're interested in different topics, then just browse the different playlists that I have created there and name them like eBay, which means buying, selling, and mastering the UK eBay market, or other topics where I'm talking about how to expand your YouTube channel, where I'm actually getting more subscribers, and I'm building this up. So thanks very much for watching again. I do appreciate your time. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.